It's the Spirited Man, and I'm back with another one. Today I went to the mailbox, picked up this toilet seat. Here it is. Yeah. Because the last two I had were really shitty. I bought them from the supermarket. They're garbage. Now this one I spent a little bit more money on, and I'm really hoping that it's going to be just as great as I thought when I was buying it. Here's me, welcome back. Post in the comments if you can figure out what country I'm in. You probably can, but who knows? Just post in the comments. Let's see a guess. And here's the intro. Yes. I'm a pleb. I live in a flat. I actually live on the top floor. How many floors? Not many. Listen to this. Yes. Preparing for those days when I'll have to cut someone in the heart. God, isn't that creepy? Boom. Here's the product ID number. Here's a weird pan. Slap it. Bop it. Twist it. Slap it. Out with the old. Fuck the old toilet seat. It was garbage. In with the new. Oh yeah, let's clean it off a little bit. Oh yeah. Instructions were kind of easy. I am autistic though, so it was a little bit difficult for me. I stream on Twitch sometimes. Check the description. Yep, gotta get it real clean for some real nice steamy shits later on. I mixed up black and white. I think I had black on the right, white on the left. Apparently it was supposed to be the opposite. Weird instructions. But the product, oh man, the product here is great. Third toilet seat cover, but I guess the third time you'll get it finally, third time's a charm. Slap it, bop it, twist it. Here we are, slap it. Changing these plugs out, I guess. Come on, get out of there, finally. Focus in school, it's important. Listen to that struggle. My life is such a struggle, ain't it? I'm having trouble putting together a goddamn toilet seat. How retarded could I be? My goodness. I wonder if this company will appreciate my review of their wonderful, extremely comfortable toilet seat. Yeah, it's a thumbs up. Instructions, sort of easy. Yeah, take care. Don't forget to smile. Slap it, bop it, twist it, slap it. Fuck you, old toilet seat from Lidl. In with the new, out with the old. Check out the description for my 13 push-up, 13 follower challenge. Slap it, later, bop it, twist it, slap it.